Alright, I'm going to show you how to download R along with RStudio, which is this over here on the right side of the screen, and it's kind of the standard environment that people use for R. And then at the end, I'm going to show you how to customize how R looks. So to start, we'll download R, and to do that, you'll go to r-project.org, and then you'll click Download R. And then it doesn't matter which one of these you choose to download it from. I would recommend choosing your country and then picking the source that's kind of the closest to you. I usually just go to USA and then choose one of the first couple. So let's do Indiana University. And then I have Windows, so I'll do a download for Windows. And then you'll want to click Download R for the first time. And then one more click. Go ahead and save it, and then we'll open it. And then we'll just accept all of the preset defaults on this installer. We'll go through it really fast. All right, so we've got English. Just going through everything, accepting the defaults. And then it should install pretty quickly. I don't think it's ever taken me more than a minute or two. And then while we wait for that to load, you can go ahead and start on the RStudio download. So this is the link we'll go to, rstudio.com/products/RStudio/download. And then you'll choose the free version. And for most people, that's all you'll ever need. You won't need to go past the free tier. So we'll hit download, and then I have Windows, so I'd click that. But if you have another operating system like Linux or Mac, there's distributions for that as well. And then we don't actually need to wait for this to finish since I already have R installed. But once you download R and RStudio, you can open up RStudio, and then if you wanted to customize how it looks, because you'll likely have a version that looks white and kind of outdated, you can go to Tools, Global Options, and then Appearance. And I always choose Chaos, but you can kind of play around and see what you prefer. And then once you find what you like, hit apply, and then you'll be good to go. The next video will show you how to read files into R and then write them out of R, and then how to work with libraries, and that should get you up and going pretty fast. Thanks.